Hello student, how are you? Very good morning. This is Amita. Today's topic underground STEM and how can define modified underground STEM. This topic very important for grade 3rd and 5th based on NCERT pattern. So start. This slide show on your screen. This is a very clearfully description show here. This is a onion, potato and ginger. This is a modified underground stem. These vegetables are called underground stem. So many times question arise in all competitive exam and GK question for general science. What is the underground stem and what is the name of vegetables which are underground stem? So we give answer onion, potato and ginger. This is a underground stem. So let's start. Underground stem are modified plant is that derive from stem. Okay, modified plants that derive from stem. What is underground stem? Underground stems are modified plants. Plants modify form of underground stem and derive from stem tissue but exist under the soil surface. These stems found in under the soil surface and grow downwards under the soil surface. So these stems found in under the soil and underground. This is called underground stem. So underground stems are modified plants is that derive from stem tissue but exist in under the soil surface. Okay, this type of stem like onion, potato and ginger showing on very clearly diagram here already draw here by me, and this is a underground stem example of underground stem. These type of stem onion, potato and ginger found in and this is a tissue form and exist under the soil surface. The function of storage tissue for food, okay, and nutrients, propagation of new plants, new clones, okay. So storage food in the some plants, some storage food in the some plants, stem of these plants grow below the ground. Stem of these plants grow below the ground. These stems are called underground modified stems. Okay, some plants store in food like onion. This is a onion, potato, and ginger. Some plants store in food, and these plants, the stem of these plants grow below the ground. Okay, exist below the ground vertically. These stems are grow below the ground and are called underground modified stem. You can easily see on this on your screen. So let's revise. Underground stem are modified plants from derived from stem tissue but exist that under the soil surface and grow vertically. You can see other words. This type of stem grow vertically under the surface of soil. They function as a storage tissue for food and nutrients and propagation of new plants and new clones. And this is a propagation of new plants and new clones. Some plants store in food, and this type of plant, the stem of plant grow below the ground, and these stems are called underground modified stem. So how can define underground modified stem? Store food in some plants. Stem of these plants grow below the ground. Stem of these plants grow below the ground, and these stems are grow below the ground called underground modified stems. The example of underground modified stem, first example will take onion. This is a green leaf and scaly leaf. Some scaly leaf found in onion. Onion is a main characteristic. The scaly leaves found in onion, and this is a stem and root. This is a underground modified stem and storage food. So on your screen. And second diagram we will take potato. Potato has some bird some point like having some points, and this is called eye containing board. This is a black spot here shown on your screen, showing on your screen. This is a eye containing bird. So this is we can other word say the eye, the eye some point and some structure, round structure found in potato. This is called bud or eye containing bud. Okay, and this is a potato. Potato is a underground modified stem because it's stored in food and we eat as a vegetable. Okay, and this is a ginger. Ginger is also scaly leaves, having a scaly leaves showing on your screen. This is a having a scaly leaves, and this is a buds. And this ginger is also called a underground modified stem because they store food and we eat as a ginger, and we use as a spices in our daily vegetable. Okay, so this is a very important question for all competitive exam and GK and general science. And give what is please tell me three name of underground stem. So give answer onion, potato and ginger because they grow underground surface and store as a food as nutrients and nutrients. Okay, and some propagation and new plants and new clones grow from these modified stems. So underground stems are modified plants and that derive from stem. These function as stored tissue for food and nutrients and propagation of new plants and new clones. Store food in some plants. Stem of these plants grow below the ground. These stems are called underground modified stem. So we will end this video here. Before and this I will request to all, please subscribe, like and more share and press hit button for upcoming notification for next series. This is a very important topic. This is a science fact channel. We will get your and found we will get your very interesting and knowledgeable topic of pattern of CBSC and RBSC and some video created by me form of question answer for all grade and all pattern CBSC and RBSC. So we will get this knowledge and absorb this knowledge with this video because more share and like and hit button. So goodbye, take care, thank you very much.